everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really neat gadget, the Wi-Fi wireless HDMI mirror screen display adapter for Miracast Dongle HD 4K TV. This device promises to transform how one shares content from their smaller screens to the big screen, and it largely delivers on that promise. One of the most frustrating things about screen mirroring can be dealing with different operating systems and the constant need to switch modes or settings. But this adapter completely eliminates that headache. It boasts a fantastic, no need to switch feature, meaning users can seamlessly connect devices running various operating systems without fiddling with settings or modes. Whether it's an Android phone, an iPhone, a Windows laptop, or a Mac, the adapter handles it all with remarkable ease, making the user experience incredibly smooth and hassle-free. This universal compatibility is a huge advantage, saving time and preventing technical frustrations. And let's talk about the display quality. This isn't just any mirroring device, it's a 4K-capable Miracast dongle. This means that when content is mirrored to a compatible 4K TV, viewers are treated to stunningly crisp, vibrant, and detailed visuals. High-definition videos look spectacular, photos pop with clarity, and even text from Office files appears sharp and readable on the big screen. The clarity it brings to presentations or family photo slideshows is genuinely impressive, making every pixel count. The versatility of this adapter is truly impressive. It supports a wide array of content types. Users can effortlessly stream videos from their favorite apps, share music, project photo albums from recent vacations, or even browse websites directly on their television. For professionals, the ability to display Office files like presentations or documents wirelessly is a game changer, transforming any TV into a large, collaborative display for meetings or brainstorming sessions. It essentially turns your TV into an extension of your smart device or computer, opening up a world of possibilities. The wireless aspect cannot be overstated. Gone are the days of tangled HDMI cables running across the living room. This compact dongle plugs discreetly into an HDMI port, creating a clean, clutter-free setup. It leverages Wi-Fi to establish a stable connection, ensuring minimal lag and a reliable mirroring experience, which is crucial for everything from fast-paced gaming to important business presentations. The freedom from physical connections adds a layer of convenience that traditional wired setups simply cannot match. Setting up the adapter is straightforward, allowing users to get started quickly without a steep learning curve. Its design is unobtrusive, blending seamlessly with any home entertainment system. For anyone looking to elevate their viewing experience, share content effortlessly, or simply declutter their media setup, this Wi-Fi wireless HDMI mirror screen display adapter presents itself as an exceptionally practical and high-performing solution. It truly simplifies the process of bringing content from smaller screens to the grandeur of a 4K television, making it an indispensable gadget for modern homes and offices.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.